told you to be quiet. I told you. I told you to be quiet, bro. You stay talking. I'll be wrong if I come up there and slap you. I'll come up there and slap you. Shut up, boy. See, I'm trying to break my brother. You steady over here being loud. Golly, I can't stand you. Just look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Can't stand you, bro. I don't see why you always like that. Shut up. I swear, bro, you need to be quiet. It's all your fault. Why would you make a big old sound when he trying to sleep? Please answer me that. Swear, I never come with me. Everywhere I go, you always doing stupid things, silly fan. Stupid things. You always doing stupid stuff. That's gonna get you jammed up, bruh. Be for real. Be for real, man. I don't see how. No it. No. You just go back to sleep. All right, just go to sleep. Go to sleep. Bro, I told you, go to sleep. Just go to sleep.